UP Minister Azam Khan recently accused the Election Commission of being biased for allowing BJP UP in charge Amit Shah to campaign in UP and said that he is mulling to approach Supreme Court against the poll panel's order barring him from campaigning in the state. Talking exclusively to NNIS about the issue, former SP leader Shahid Siddiqui said that Azam Khan and SP chief Mulayam Singh Yadav are trying to blame the EC for their incompetence. Siddiqui said that Azam Khan should apologize to EC just as Amit Shah had done.
इसको कहते हैं खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे। तो आजम खान जो हैं या मुलायम सिंह जो हैं उन्हें हार नज़र आ रही है। यूपी में उनका बहुत बुरा हाल है। यूपी में अगर वो 10-12 सीटें हासिल कर लें तो बड़ी बात होगी। इसलिए अब वो अपनी नाकामी का ठीकरा इलेक्शन कमीशन के सर फोड़ना चाह रहे हैं, जबकि इलेक्शन कमीशन दुनिया के सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे उम्दा न्यूट्रल इलेक्शन कमीशन में से है और पूरी दुनिया आज भारत के इलेक्शन कमीशन को सलाम करती है। आजम खां के कहने से या मुलायम सिंह के कहने से इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है उसके ऊपर कोई दाग नहीं लग सकता, बेदाग है। अमित शाह ने माफ़ी मांगी है, आजम खान भी माफ़ी मांग ले, उसमें क्या बुराई है। वो कह दें कि साहब मेरे गलती से मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, जोश में निकल गया, अब आगे से ऐसा नहीं, मैं इस तरह का तकरीर नहीं करूँगा, ऐसी भाषण नहीं करूँगा, तो इलेक्शन कमीशन उनको भी इजाज़त दे देगा। तो इसलिए इसमें यह कहना, आरोप लगाना कि इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है वो भाजपा या किसी की तरफ जो है झुकाव है उसका, मैं समझता हूँ बहुत गलत बात है और ये हमारे उस इलेक्शन पे नहीं, हमारे लोकतंत्र पे आरोप है।
Rajya Sabha MP Mohammad Adib said that both Amit Shah and Azam Khan were wrong in using foul language against each other and hence he was surprised why only Amit Shah had been given a clean chit. He added that the EC had given Azam the power to challenge their decision and now he would exploit it.
In fact, both were wrongs, Amit Shah as well as Azam Khan. They should not use foul language against each other. This is not the culture of our country. And I am surprised why one has been released and other has not been released. So why you give time to Azam Khan? I don't approve what Azam Khan has said, because this is not the language supposed to be speak in election time or otherwise. Because we cannot live on hatred. We have to live with a friendship. Election is a different thing, but we have got more important relationship than the election. But I don't know why Amit Shah has been given clean chit, because they have given the power to Azam Khan. Now Azam Khan will exploit that thing, which is very bad.
This report is brought to you by NNIS.